I have congenital heart failure. Congestive heart failure is called. From the medication, you can tell. So they're basically trying to keep me alive.
Once again, Federal High Court have rejected Nnamdi Kanu bail application. They really want this man to buy in their hand. I don't know. I don't know why they want this man to buy in their hand. It is so clear that Nigerian government has nothing against Nnamdi Kanu. Because all these delaying tactics, had it been they have found anything they will use to nail him, they would have jailed him for long. All these things you are seeing, all these delaying tactics now, they are just hoping and waiting on the day something bad will happen to that man. I just pray that God Almighty will continue to hold him strong. Now, I want you guys to hear what Nnamdi Kanu have to say concerning the rejection of his bail application, and also concerning the insecurity happening in the southeast. He also spoke about those who are using his name, who are using the name of Ipob to cause insecurity in the southeast. I want you guys to listen and hear what he said about it. Thank you.
Did you get it? Yes. Fast one. Yes. I'm not relaxed until we get absolute and put in people. I'm not relaxed. We know the law. My team here, they're more than perfect. They know what to do, and they're going to do. And we're going to prevail ultimately. Because justice must prevail.
He's still in the dark.
The court also that
we'll give you a woman from Southeast.
Depending on the strength of the argument. They're using it to do a statement at DSSF. Exactly. I don't see there is no way we're going to allow that to happen. My rights must be for justice. Yes. My right to fair hearing must be observed. They brought him to Kenya into this dock and allowed him to talk without his lawyer.
And he's only fighting for justice.
Yes. I have congenital heart failure. Congestive heart failure is called. From the medication, you can tell. So they're basically trying to keep me alive. So when they calculate that I'm about to give up, that my heart is about to pack up, they will now say go. So when I go outside, I will die outside. That's what they're trying to do.
The medications they've been giving to you,
yes. It's not working. If it's working, why would I have all these lumps underneath my...
And he has written a petition to the Nigerian Medical Association where they brought one quack doctor, somebody who is not a doctor, to treat him.
To come and try and treat him.
But up to now, they have nobody.
They don't know what they're doing. And they know they don't know what they're doing. Or else, why would I have this?
As long as it remains in DSS custody, there
will be no trial.
He's seeking for a non-custodial arrangement by the court. Because, exactly, I don't mind house arrest. Because I'll defeat them. In this court, I'll defeat the government of Nigeria. Yeah. The whole world will see it. Where is the feasible felon? Where is it? All these years, journalists are having feasible treason. Where is treason today? He's gone. In some way, this terrorism charge will go. I'm thinking of another capital offense that can charge me. Maybe, I don't know, impregnating the wife of somebody. I don't know. The federal government, they know I'm not guilty. My only guilt is that I'm fighting for my people. And I will fight for it.
For justice.
For justice and fairness and equity.
Advice to the people of those who are using IPOB to commit crime.
Using IPOB to commit crime is a thing. Yes. It's not part of this family.
Repeat it again.
Our family is based on 4 cardinal points. You must be without fear before your enemies. You must speak the truth always, even if it leads to your death. You must help the poor and those who cannot help themselves, and be of good character that God may love thee. That's who we are.
So what will be your words to those out there in the East who are killing them?
That they are criminals. They are criminals. They are not part of this family. We are called a family for a reason. We've come to serve our people, not to enslave them. Anybody conducting any type of activity that contravenes the welfare of our people is a criminal. I must be dealt with.
Wait, you should repeat this one.
Anybody who is involved in any form of criminality, any form of violence or subversion in the name of Biafra is not part of this family. Yes. Our family is noble. It's called IPOB. It's all over the world.
So you condemn anything that has to do with killing in the southeast?
Why would I kill violence? People have sacrificed my parents for them. Why would I want to kill any other person after that?
Anybody who's committing crime in the name of IPOB is on his own.
He's a criminal, I've said it. He's a criminal and should be dealt with. Adequately. Biafra. Onye ọbụla pụtara na na-eso ohi na-agba ama na-atụrụ ndị mmadụ na-eme ihe niile ndị a niile kwere na iyi IPOB onye agwa onye ohi ka IPOB ka mmadụ. We are here to fight for freedom, for justice, equity, and fairness. That's what we're fighting for. Nothing more, nothing less. And we cannot be cowed by anybody. We are without fear before our enemies. And we speak the truth always. I want all the journalists here arrayed to go and ask government of Nigeria, what happened to treasonable felon? Where are those charges today?
From 2015.
They have just disappeared because they have no evidence against me.
I went to
Anybody committing crime cannot go scot-free. I swear it. They cannot go scot-free. Anybody involved in any type of crime in the East cannot go free. And they're doing it because I'm in DSS. That's what if I said no idiot can try this rubbish, and they know it very well. They know it very well. And I suspect that some people in government are complicit. Yes. They are making money with insecurity.
That's correct.
They're making money with it. They know Nnamdi Kanu is outside. In 2 minutes, this nonsense will stop. Who is the idiot? Who is the bagger? That will speak when I'm talking. Who is the fool? Who is the idiot? I ask. That I give an order in the East, and any idiot will counter it. Who is the bastard? I'm asking you. Nobody can. I'm Nnamdi Kanu. Who is the idiot?
No, don't. No,
What is it?
Can you tell us the ongoing killings in the East in the name of IPOB? What is your stand on that?
Anybody involved in any form of violence or insecurity in the Southeast,
in the
name of IPOB, is a gunner, and they know it. Let me come out of this nonsense, this mess. 2 minutes only.
There will be peace.
Only 2 minutes, I guarantee you.
And tranquility.
And there will be peace in the East, not just Southeast. Everywhere in the East, if not the entire South.
Yes.
That is